Hi, Greta. Hey, we won a set of SnapPads, full set. All 4 stabilizers and the jack at the rally in June. It's now November, and we're finally going to put them on. It's cold outside, but we're putting them on anyway, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're packing up. Gonna give it a shot. We have them warming up in front of the furnace while I winterize. It's hot in here, so that hopefully we can just push them on while we have all kinds of concrete to use to put them on. I'll show you in a minute. So the SnapPads come just in a set. We got the jack stand one separate. Sorry about the spinning. And they'll just come out of a box like you would expect a box of SnapPads to be. Just like so. Aren't they pretty? Alright, those will take a turn down here in front of the heater. One or both of us had the bright idea to put this one on while we're just sitting here with the, what are those called?
SnapPads.
Under it, the orange things.
Lego blocks.
Lego blocks under it. We'll go with that. So let's give it a shot, see if they snap.
See if
right
the blocks
in.
Crack.
Right? You want to run the jack or the camera?
Jack.
Just gonna run the jack. Ready, go.
I gotta find the button. I hate not being able to find it. Other way. And lined up right.
Kind of looks like it. And here we go.
Oh, it got me right in the face. Ow!
That's it,
All the
baby.
way in.
It's,
It got me in the face.
how'd that work out? You got a soapy face?
Yes, I do.
Careful, they spit.
Watch out, they spit.
They do.
Look how pretty that
Fun.
is. Okay, SnapPad.
Oh, I love it.
Cindy, having applied a goodly amount of soap, will now place the SnapPad on the ground.
I threw it on the ground.
Ouch. Not without hurting herself.
Right. And then she'll take the camera while Dee makes a bunch of noise.
Hey, down in front.
Oh, I should not put my hand in front of the lens.
That's a keeper. Wrong way. Is there a way that it goes, or
I
just
don't
all
think
the
so.
no?
They're square.
Okay. And it's gonna fit, right?
Let me spray a little bit more soap on it.
It's pretty.
I think it needs to go. Oh, we good? Oh, sorry.
So you do need to tap it that way. All right, let's try it. No, it needs to come forward.
What?
Or is it just it's kind of on now, we see what happens.
I think it was going in. I think you just need to,
Just need to be patient.
yeah.
I'm not good at that. I just feel
Okay,
like
so-
it has to come forward
Okay.
because it feels like it's a lot more forward that way than it should be, but maybe not.
Here's what other we could do.
Okay.
We have a board or a block or something to put under this edge so that as that comes down, it's getting weight on that front edge right away. Because the weight goes on that back edge first, I think. Oh, he left. I thought he was just sitting there wondering if I was making any sense.
Pretty and smart, guys. And pretty smart. Now we do that. And go the other way. Ta-da! Snapped in.
That's why they call them SnapPads.
too much. How about that? We still need to put a block under it, do you think?
Well, let's try it. Let's see if the back goes in first. I mean, it might be different. That some of these feet are a little warpy, you know. Kind of pushed it backwards, didn't it?
And those feet aren't flat as they go down.
Almost. A little more. One little corner, right?
Yep. Just feels like that needs to be in.
That makes it more so.
Now I'm gonna put a block under that. Well, it's in, right? Not the front. I feel like that side is in. Or this side. None of it's in.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, this part is definitely not in.
Then just put the block under the front.
And neither is that. The sides seem like they
Well,
are.
see, we're in a dip in the concrete right here. We are not on a flat surface.
Part one.
Did the back go in?
Yeah, that other one did. This side
Did that go in?
in. No.
There it
Good.
goes.
Nothing to it. Okey doke.
Did it go? Always hit that front edge. There it is.
You need to put that on the charger when. Last one. Wow. There we go. Hope it's worth the noise.
I hope it's worth the noise.
I don't think the back went all the way in.
No, I was hoping we'd have
Oh,
one.
It's going. I think it's going. Oh, maybe not. No, the back is not in. So does that mean we put the block under the front or the back? Pop!
Like that. Get you in
Ta-da!
the face again?
No, thank goodness.
All right, there we go. Amelia with her new shoes.
So before we wrap up this video, I just want to tell you how much we absolutely love having the SnapPads on our Airstream. They really class up the joint. I love the way they look, first and foremost. I do love that. But I love having the one on the jack stand because to me, it just seems safer, especially if we have to have something underneath it to prop it up, depending on where we're at. One time before we had the SnapPads, we were putting the jack stand down and the whole trailer kind of slid sideways. I thought it was going to fall off of that thing. It scared me to death. I feel so safe with these beefy SnapPads on there. So make sure that you go check them out. The webpage is super easy to use, and there's a little section on there for which SnapPads do I need for my rig, and it will walk you through all the questions and stuff so that you can figure out exactly which ones you need. If you can't figure it out, call them. I did. I called them, I spoke to them, and they were so helpful. So give them a call. Don't hesitate to do that. But when you do, make sure that you use my code for 10% off. What? Yes, you can get 10% off. So the code is so cool. It's Cindy, my name, 63305. I don't know what that means, but it gets you 10% off. So use it. Enjoy. And then let us know that you got SnapPads.
Cut video for a belly rub.
You're a little toot. Yeah, that's a little toot. Silly boy. They just class the joint up. They really do. But I really love...
Okay.
So before we wrap up this video, I just want to tell you how much we hate airplane noise, especially when we're recording. It's so annoying.
Okay. You're good.